Hi, fellow viewers, to everybody. Good morning. My name is Steve. My full name is Steve Hoong. That is my full name in my YouTube account. By the way, I will use English and Tagalog. This is about the issuance of their memorandum from Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation. By the way, itong video na ito ay napaka-importante sa lahat ng nagde-deposito sa bangko all over Philippines, hindi lang Metro Manila. Ito po ay kasama na sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. Ano po itong sasabihin kong importanteng video? Okay. I think yung ibang bangko alam na, mga commercial banks, rural banks, savings bank, thrift bank, of course alam din ng digital banks. Okay. Effective March 15, 2025, that is Saturday. Uulitin ko, March 15, 2025 is Saturday. Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation issued a memo. Their insurance coverage of each depositor from 500,000 was increased to 1 million pesos. So therefore, PDIC insured up to 1 million pesos. So ibig sabihin, times 2 na po ang insured. So alam ko marami nagtatanong sa akin kung in the future ba, next few years or next decade, may possibility bang tumaas? Possible. Pwede maging 1.5 million or 2 million pesos. It depends on the amount of coverage per depositor. Basta itong March 15, 2025 effectivity, ang coverage ng insurance sa kada depositor ay 1 million pesos. So, yun lang. By the way, this is Philippines. Baka isipin nyo ibang country. Kung sa US, ang tawag FDIC or Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation. So, don't be confused. Okay? So, yun lang po. Bakit ko nasabi itong video na ito na napaka-aga pa, bakit a week before? Hindi, para at least kayo aware din. By the way, bigyan ko kayo ng short review. Bakit itong PDIC iba't ibang amount from previous, past, present? Hindi kasama pwede rin ang future, pero it depends on the number of years coverage. Dati kasi ang insurance sa PDIC that time is 40,000. Kung kumbaga sa sa Pilipino, 40,000 pesos, 40,000 pesos. Tapos yung 1990s, I think tumalon ng 100,000 pesos that time. So, I think I was only high school or going college. Then, yung nag-college na ko, nagulat ako. Sabi ko, 100,000 naging 250,000 pesos. So, yun, naging kuan na. Tapos yung nalaman ng PDIC na maraming bangko nagsasara, so ginawa nila from 250,000, naging times 2, 500,000 pesos. So, eto siya, times 2 pa rin. By March 15, 2025, all banks in the Philippines ay insured up to 1 million pesos. Yun po ang as of March 15 pa yan, effectivity. Sa future, pwede rin yan tumaas. Pwede maging 1.5 million or another times 2 million pesos. Depende sa economic situation sa Philippines. So, ito ang pinaka-importanting video na nasabi ko. Kasi hahanap-hanapin nila yan eh. They will search it. Kasi iba yung mga business students or masteral degree in business, hahanap-hanapin nila yan. Bakit nagkaroon ng ganitong amount, di ba? So, yan lang po. By the way, Philippine Deposit Insurance Corporation is a separate entity sa BSP. Ibig sabihin, ang BSP, sila nagbibigay license to operate a bank or financial institutions. Ang PDIC, ibig sabihin, yan yung nakaka-coverage sa bawat depositor. Kung saan bangko dineposit. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you for listening in this video. Good morning.